Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's still Graham, and this is the Need Feed. So we're gonna continue the soup series today with a green gazpacho. So I know a lot of people have been quarantine gardening and have extra vegetables around the house. And isn't everyone tired of making pickles? Gazpacho is traditionally a cold tomato soup that comes from the south of Spain and Portugal, but there's many different variations. It's a cold soup that's great for summer. It's light and refreshing. Today I want to show you one of my favorite variations, green gazpacho. It's got green bell peppers, cucumbers, and avocado. Traditionally, gazpacho is made with bread, which I'll be using today. But if you're gluten-free or don't like bread, then you can leave it out. It's just as good. Gazpacho is really simple to make. Essentially, we're just throwing everything in a blender and letting it chill for a couple hours. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. That way it's not just my mom commenting on all my videos. Hi Mom, let's head to my kitchen and I'll walk you through the steps. You won't even need to turn on your stove. To begin with, we'll start by prepping all the vegetables and marinating them in a pan. Make sure you have a large enough pan or bowl to hold all the vegetables. Here, I've washed and peeled 4 cucumbers. Now, I'm cutting off the ends and roughly chopping them about an inch or so. They're gonna be marinated and blended, so they don't have to be cut perfectly. To cut the bell pepper, I'm working around the middle, cutting all 4 sides of the square. Then I'm cutting the pith out of the center. That's the white part in the middle of the pepper. It tends to be a little bit bitter and can make your soup not taste so good. And now I'm splitting the avocado in half. The easiest way to remove the seed is by hitting it with the base of a knife and twisting until it comes out. Then, to get it off your knife, which is sometimes the tricky part, come from the back of the knife and push the seed forward. And scoop out the flesh of the avocado with a large spoon. Moving on to the cilantro, take the whole bunch and chop off the top. It's actually better to get some of the stem because there's so much flavor in it. Rough chop it and put it with the other vegetables. Next, we're gonna peel and rough chop 1 red onion. So for the bread, I picked up a baguette at my local shop, but you could use sourdough or pretty much any bread that you like. We're only using the middle part of the bread. So I'm cutting off the crust and pulling out the center. Now that we have all the vegetables prepped, we're gonna season it with some salt and pepper and marinate it in some sherry vinegar and extra virgin olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon. After it's all seasoned, if you have time, stick it in the fridge for a few hours. It really helps blend all the flavors and produces a richer gazpacho. Make sure to mix it up really well so the vinegar and the olive oil hit everything. Now we're going to blend all the vegetables in small batches. Make sure to push down all the chunks into the blender. Blend it on high for 2 to 3 minutes so the mix fully emulsifies. I'm also going to throw in some baby spinach to a couple of the batches to give it a nice color and flavor. After you have everything blended, check the soup for seasoning. I needed to add a little bit more salt and pepper to mine, some olive oil and sherry. After you've seasoned it to your liking, stick it in the fridge for a few hours to chill. And it's as easy as that. This is one of my go-to soups for the summer. It's bright, herbaceous, and full of flavor, and it stores really well for about 5 days in the fridge. Really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If so, make it official and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. Be sure to subscribe for all the latest recipes, tricks, and tips.